it's Artie and Kate and Nikki and Party Girl. Hi, you guys. Oh, Artie, come here, my girl. Oh, honey, where have you been? Where have you been, my love? Oh, honey, I missed you so much. I did. I missed you so much. Thanks for coming. Katie, you look great compared to the last time I saw you. Hello, Nikki. Nikki's living at her whole party. Hi. Oh, honey. Oh, you guys. Oh, my precious babies. Oh, you guys. I love you so. This girl. I'm sorry it's been so tough on you. I'm sorry. Would you guys like some smushies? Yes? Okay. We can do that. Anybody here with you? Where's your sister? Where's Grace? Anybody? Alright, we'll start and we'll see if anybody comes. Okay? Nichols. Oh, Katie. My party girl. And my gorgeous Artie. Hello, honey. Oh, you're such a good girl. Okay, huh? Yeah, your motor still works. Beautiful girl. Oh, that face. That's a pretty face. Yeah, it is. Honey, we're not supposed to get a lot more. Okay? Trust me, right? Yeah? Good girl. Good little girl. I know. There's our party girl. But where's Gracie and Ruby and Gwenny? Let's go dig them out. Hi, baby. Thank you for coming, using the paths. There's mushy under the table. Thank you. Hey, Katie. Go get it. Good girl. Gracie! You're under another roof. You're so funny. Guinevere! Grace! Lucy! Hello, my Katie. Oh, big bumpy.